Hello, I'm Dr. Manasa from Chandra Rheumatology and Immunology Center. Today, let us learn something about osteoarthritis. Most of us probably know at least one person who has osteoarthritis or may be suffering from osteoarthritis ourselves. But what exactly is osteoarthritis? Osteoarthritis, also commonly called the wear and tear arthritis, is the degeneration of the cartilage which is there between the joints, causing painful, swollen joints on which it is difficult to move and do our daily activities. There is a misconception that the only treatment available for osteoarthritis is joint replacement or the use of painkillers for a long period of time, and that there is no available treatments for this. This is not true. So today, let us learn about some things that we can do ourselves and certain supplements and medications that can be used under the care of a doctor to help us improve our osteoarthritis, which can help prolong the health of our joint and prevent or even delay the use of joint replacement. So the first thing that we can do is maintain a healthy lifestyle. This includes regular low impact exercise. The use of regular low impact exercise, including swimming, walking, cycling and others or yoga, can help improve the joint health and prevent the worsening of the joint and reduce the pain that one feels. The stiffness that is there in the joint is also reduced. The aim of the treatments that we are using for reducing osteoarthritis include reduction of pain, improving mobility so that there is increased independence and regular activity, and to prevent worsening of the joint. There are several supplements that have been shown to improve the health of the joint, and this includes certain supplements like glucosamine and boswellia extract and the use of calcium and vitamin D as supplementation. It is important to maintain a healthy, balanced diet that includes all of these nutrition in our day-to-day lives. Additionally, the use of physiotherapy, including warm and cold packs and several specific exercises and certain techniques such as IFT and heat and cold compress, can help improve the joint pain. Improving your day-to-day movement with the help of supports, walking supports, the use of knee joint, knee braces, help provide support to the joint and prevent the worsening of the wear and tear that happens on the joint. Several people have a feeling that the use of these joints will make us dependent on this and that we will not be able to do our daily activities ourselves in the future. These are aids that will help you improve your joints so that you're able to keep walking and doing your own activities by yourself for a much longer time. Appropriate footwear that provides support can also help prevent the load that is there on the load-bearing joints, particularly the knee and the hip. The use of knee braces, foot splints or hand splints as required based on your own osteoarthritis can help prevent the formation of deformities, whereby you may find that the shape of the joint itself begins to change. Part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle includes weight management and weight reduction. The reduction of weight is particularly important in osteoarthritis of the knee and hip joint, and reducing your weight even by a little can help reduce the pressure on these joints and reduce pain and help you move more actively and easily. Always remember, age is no bar for exercise, and that the regular low impact exercise is indicated at every age. You may feel that you're much too old to start exercising today, but it doesn't matter whether you're 40, 50, 60, 80, it is never too late to start exercising to help maintain a better lifestyle. Regular use of painkillers is generally not recommended, and this should be done under the guidance of your doctor. The use of painkillers may not be necessary once you start implementing these regular lifestyle modifications. Do not let osteoarthritis come in the way of living a full life. There are no restrictions to the things that you can do. So do make these lifestyle modifications, and we hope that you're able to live a happy and fulfilled life even with osteoarthritis. Thank you.